Yes, hello. Up for sale. A 1993 Kato excavator. It has 5,165 hours. And it is in excellent condition. This used to be a city-owned piece of equipment. It only has 5,165 hours, and the tracks, the bucket, the boom, it has a Mitsubishi motor, and the machine is almost immaculate. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. We're going to take a look at the motor in a couple minutes. We're going to move the bucket up and down somewhat, and we're going to accelerate it. The lock still works, which is right here. Here you go. We're going to move the machine a little bit. We're going to accelerate and everything. This is the pump, Kawasaki. It's got a Kawasaki pump. Model 1250 VLC. This machine has no wear for its hours, none whatsoever. Well taken care of. I'm going to walk up to the compartment on the top. The bucket looks brand new. Brand new. Mitsubishi diesel. Great. Alright, this is the end of this video. Thank you and good luck.